AlphaCars of Motorcycles. My name's Ben, and today we're checking out a modern classic, 2001 Toyota MR2, the midship runabout two-seater. This is a Spyder of the third generation. It is in fantastic condition, less than 52,000 miles, which is just amazing for a 2001 vehicle, 20 years old. And it comes to us from West Virginia, far away from the ravages of the Northeast, far away from the salt, the snow, the terrible road conditions. And it shows throughout this car. We're gonna go around it, show you everything, and see what you're getting. And you can see right away, the car is very, very straight, very, very clean. Clean Carfax report, no accidents. Original paint is verified by our paint meter tool. Headlamps are clear, look fantastic, illuminate the road great. Nice, simple, circular headlamps. We've got a couple of small paint imperfections here on the hood and part of the front bumper cover, really completely to be expected on a car with a nose that's this low to the ground. We have one very, very small mark here on the front bumper, not really of consequence. You need to really look for that. And one of the things that knocks me out about this car, besides how straight and clean it is the condition of the wheels. How often do you find tires that are this, wheels rather, that are this free of road rash? It's unbelievable. Brand new tires all the way around, also with a full alignment, and 80 to 85% brake life all the way around. Again, even panel gaps, everything lines up straight. You can tell this car's never been in an accident, and check it out, opening the door. That's it. No rubbing, no scrapes, no effort. Very easy. You can see just by the edges of the doors, the sills, the rocker panels down there, how clean and rust-free and straight this car is. Checking out inside, cloth interior, seats are in great shape. We have some shadows on the seat. Those are not stains. No rips or tears. The plastics look fantastic. Shift boot is intact, no problems there. There isn't even any wear on the shift knob. That's amazing. All interior electronics work. One thing that this car has is a carbon fiber applique around the vents and the climate controls. We can see there's a very small imperfection here at the top. Try and grab that for you. That's it. Everything else looks great, including this dash pad. Rubber seals are very good. The door card is very good. We do want to show this car has a new convertible top on it, vinyl convertible top, looks great. There is a very small imperfection here on the convertible top rubber. It's very common with these MR2s of this generation. It's mirrored on the other side, nothing of consequence, and it doesn't cause any leaks. And again, look at that tire and that wheel. It's just fantastic. It's so nice to see. Coming to the back, again, paint looks great. We have a very minor imperfection here on the edge of the engine cover. Taillight lenses are clear. Again, look at how clean and straight this car is. Fantastic. Again, wheel condition, great. And coming up here to the driver's side door, same thing. Oh, that is so nice on a convertible, and it speaks so much to the structure and the care of the car. Checking down here again. Everything is solid. Rockers, sills, door edges. Back to the interior. Seat looks fantastic. No rips, tears, or stains. All the interior electronics work. Very minimalist car this is. The focus is on driving. And drive it does. We're going to take a quick look at the engine cover, or underneath the engine cover. And back here, everything looks great. This engine was shared with the Toyota Celica GT. It is incredibly reliable, robust, meant to go the distance. We could take a look here. All the fasteners look great. You could tell nobody has needed to unfasten anything back here. We've got some minor imperfections on that cover right there. Paint imperfections, nothing Of note, really, we've got a little bit of surface rust on these connectors and anodization for the engine, entirely keeping in with the age of the vehicle. Battery's in fantastic shape. Hoses are soft and pliable. All the belts work. It's been through a complete inspection in our shop, and it's ready to go. I had the good pleasure and fortune of driving this car from our Boxborough facility to here in Spencer. It's about an hour-long drive. We did not take the highway for very long. We got on back roads, and man, mid-engine cars just handle so much differently. They're so telegraphic. It's such a rewarding driving experience. And this one, especially with Toyota's reliability and low entry point, makes a fantastic car for a future classic. Certainly it's a modern classic now. Check it out on the web, alphacars.com, or give us a call, 978-263-9000.